Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Nissan Altima tail light bulb. First, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a new 7440 bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. This simple repair can be done quickly with just a few basic steps, saving you a trip to the mechanic. Now, open your trunk and look for the two plastic fasteners holding the tail light assembly in place. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to turn these fasteners counterclockwise until they are loose. Once they're free, carefully pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It should come out with a gentle tug. With the tail light assembly removed, locate the specific bulb socket for the tail light that needs replacing. Twist this socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Gently pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Now, simply push the new 7440 bulb firmly into the socket until it's seated correctly. Before reassembling, turn on your vehicle's lights to ensure the new bulb is working. Once confirmed, twist the bulb socket clockwise back into the tail light assembly. Carefully push the entire tail light assembly back into its original spot on the vehicle. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two plastic fasteners clockwise to secure everything.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.